Welcome to Primepicks, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest tech recommendations. Today, we're diving into the top 5 cameras for vlogging in 2024, catering to different needs and budgets. 1. Sony ZV-1 MK2. The Sony ZV-1 MK2 is the ultimate all-rounder, boasting compact size, stellar video quality, and a built-in microphone with directional capability for crystal-clear audio. Whether you're vlogging on the go or capturing everyday moments, this camera has you covered. 2. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Ideal for beginners or those prioritizing portability, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 delivers exceptional stabilization and features a convenient built-in touchscreen for effortless control, all at a wallet-friendly price point. 3. Panasonic Lumix GH6. For the serious vloggers out there, the Panasonic Lumix GH6 shines with its high-resolution video recording, impressive low-light performance, and advanced shooting modes, making it a powerhouse in the vlogging world. 4. Fujifilm X-S20. Offering superb image quality and seamless transition between vlogging and photography, the Fujifilm X-S20 is equipped with a flip-out touchscreen display and a versatile range of lenses, perfect for content creators looking to diversify their content. 5. Sony ZV-E1. For vloggers who demand nothing but the best, the Sony ZV-E1 stands tall as a full-frame mirrorless camera, delivering unparalleled video and low-light performance. While it comes with a higher price tag and larger size, its top-tier quality makes it a worthy investment for those striving for perfection. There you have it. The top 5 cameras for vlogging in 2024, carefully curated to help you capture your moments with style and precision. Stay tuned to Primepicks for more tech recommendations and reviews.